was unbelievable. We actually stepped onto Mars.
Look, guys! I took this stone as a souvenir.
What was that? There were stones everywhere. We were in some danger, weren't we? But I still really want to see Pluton.
I want to see Saturn.
And now the giant planet of Jupiter is in front of us.
I know! It's gigantic because it can fit 1,320 worlds in it.
Hold on a sec. 1,320? That's really huge.
Oh, look! There's Saturn. It's so beautiful.
I think it's the most beautiful planet out there. Look at those rings, like it's hula hooping. You see that? Mutlu, don't forget to record this for the documentary.
Don't worry, I am on it. So when are we gonna arrive at Pluton?
Well, first we'll see Uranus and then Neptune, Mutlu. And here is Uranus.
Hey!
Look, now it's Neptune in front of us.
Wow! Pluton! Pluton!
We're almost there, Mutlu.
And finally, our last stop, Pluton.
But Pluton is so tiny compared to all of the other planets.
That's right, it is. But I also have some news for you. Pluton is not a planet anymore.
It used to be a planet, but it's not accepted as one anymore.
I can't believe it. It was as small as I am. Why did they do this to it?
Don't be so sad, Mutlu. It's a dwarf planet from here on out.
Oh, that's just fine. Otherwise, it would be too bad for Pluton.
Okay, it's time to return home, guys.
Mutlu, you recorded everything, didn't you?
Of course, sis. How could you even ask that?
Welcome home, everyone. How was your trip to outer space?
It was awesome!
Let's see the documentary and Mutlu record.
On the contrary, I think you mean astronaut documentarian, Daddy.
Mutlu, there's nothing recorded on this tape.
You did press the record button, right, Mutlu?
Record button, huh? I think I must have, yes. I pressed so many buttons, didn't I? I must have pressed the record button as well. Did I press it? Didn't I press it? I pressed it.
Whoa!
Come on, Zuzu. We need to finish our homework at home.
Anybody want to help us?
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everyday life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside your heart.
Minnie,